Today we will learn instruction in C. Today our topic is data type declaration instruction. So what is instruction? Program statement are called instruction. Instruction are commands. Means if we want to add two numbers, so add is an instruction. Types of instruction. In our C programming class, we have to learn four type of instruction. First is data type declaration instruction, then input output instruction, then arithmetic instruction, and finally control instruction. Today we will learn data type declaration instruction. So what is primitive data type? Program needs data to process. We write program, we develop any software for processing data. So program needs data to process. C language provides few keywords which can be used to tell compiler what kind of data you want to handle. Means for telling compiler what type of data you want to handle, C language provides some keywords. The basis of this classification is kind of operation you can perform on that category of data is different from the kind of operation you can perform on data belongs to different category. And amount of space required to represent data in memory. So primitive data types are int, character, float and double. Int for integer number, character for character and float for real number and double is also for real number. And finally, there is another category that is void. Data types or keyword can be used on various occasions to specify the kind of data. So, which type of data you want to handle, what type of operation you want to implement, for this you have to declare data type. One use of data type is to declare variable. Means int I, means I is an integer variable. So one use of data type is to declare variable. For declaring variable, data type are used. And amount of space required to represent data in memory means for integer it takes 4 bytes, for character it takes 1 bytes. By declaring data type, we can get that how much memory is needed for your variable. Type declaration instructions. Variables are new words in the program and needs to be declared for the compiler. So variables are new words and the word is decided by the programmer. So it is required for variable declaration is required for our compiler. Variables are memory location where we store our data and that memory location name is variable name. The kind of data you want to store in the variable should be declared so that compiler fixes the memory requirement. So for fixing the memory requirement, data type is used and variable declaration is needed. Means if I write int I, means I is a variable name and int is the data type. So I takes 4 bytes in memory. So if I write float key C, then C takes 4 bytes in memory where C is the variable name and float is the data type. And compiler fixes this memory requirement. So see here, variables a, b are of type integer and k is the type float, ch and m are type character and d1 is of type double. Int variable consumes 4 bytes in memory, character variable takes 1 byte in memory and float takes 4 bytes and double takes 8 bytes in memory. Variable of type int can store integers. Character variable is used to store character constant. Float and double variables are used to store real constant. that is floating point number. Now some points to remember. First is double consumes double the amount of space taken by float variable. So double variable can store data with high precision as compared to float variable. You can initialize variables during declaration, otherwise they contain garbage value. If you write int I semicolon, then I contain garbage value. But if you write int I equals to 5, then I contains 5. So if you forget to initialize any variable, that variable contains garbage value. Void is a data type, but you cannot use it to make variables. But in case of pointer, it is possible to make pointer variables using void data type. In C language, declaration of variables should become before any action statement. All statements except the declaration statement are known as action statement. In our total C program, except the variable declaration, all statements are known as action statement. So variable declaration is done before action statement. So declaration statements are written before action statement. Character variable consumes 1 byte in memory. It is because they are designed to contain integer values, which is a code of assigned character. This coding is called ASCII. ASCII, the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So, if you declare any character variable, you have to write character X is equal to A, means I assign the value A and within a single quotes. In the above statement, X is assigned with a character A whose ASCII code is 97. Thus, X assigned a number 97. So, you can also write character X97 because ASCII code of A is 97. So, you have to write, you can write character X97. These two are same. See here, the data type is character here. When you write ASCII code instead of ASCII character, do not enclose with single quotes. But here, when you write A, you have to enclose with single quote. But in case of when you are writing 97, no need to give single quotes. There are 256 ASCII characters whose code ranges from 0 to 255. Now these are your homework. Try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the output of this program. Pause your video, try to solve this problem and answer me in the comment section what is the output, which option is correct. I am waiting for your reply. For getting more and more updates, please subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.